attach the frame to the mirror, I used no more nails, and then I attached clamps and a few pin nails on the corners just to make sure everything's set up properly. Now, no more nails is a phenomenal glue because once it bonds, it is not budging. It's seriously as if it's been nailed onto something. Just a funny story. My brother-in-law's boss asked him to remove some shelving from inside the office, and he accidentally ripped off an entire 4x4 hunk of drywall along with the shelf that had been glued with no more nails. So if you decide to use this glue, be sure to only use it on projects that you won't need to take apart in the future.